which is yet to manifest anywhere other than my subconscious are now present. Pressing against the windows to my soul, this whole puzzle being pieced together, slowly revealing the big picture in time, easing this mind. So real obstacles dwindle and fall to the wayside to be trampled by activity. I wave by to unproductive late nights to find life's greatest highlights on the other side of trials. Now simply trails leading to answered prayers. Character is developed when failure is enveloped with further attempts and less regrets. Hurdling steps as I progress, working forward toward more achievements and wise decisions based on common sense. Through all of this, I stay straight about whispers in the wind, reminding me to try again when I seem to find my end. See me rise again, then finalizing it with life accomplishment to touch sky, my intent.
Statuesque fidelity.
Isn't the limit, is it? We reach it. See that the potential is infinite, stretching out perceptions by drastic increments, blasting past coincidence before even leaving. It's as simple as believing we have liftoff, onward and up like now I'm like living life like one big highlight, hitting naturally high by every chance, every try, every dance in the light. So to advance and touch sky, I comply.